can distinguish between what is truly important and what only feels urgent. In short, kaya nating mag-prioritize. Kung ano ba yung importante, hindi yung urgent. Okay? I make time for important but non-urgent work such as planning, learning, preparation, and relationship building. Isama na po dyan yung health, di ba? Yung ating health. Ito yung mga bagay na importante. Is planning important? Yes. Is it urgent? Madalas bukas na lang. Learning is important, pero nadidi-prioritize, di ba? Preparation for what's ahead, di ba? Relationship building. Isama mo na nga yung health. These are all important but not urgent. But if you don't work on it, let's say for example, health na lang. I'm at this age, no, of 55 na nararamdaman ko na and I'm already starting to regret yung mga pinagpabukas ko when I was younger.